A sharp diplomatic exchange unfolded in Oslo during a press briefing as Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Norway. A Norwegian journalist directly challenged India's Ministry of External Affairs with a pointed question, "Why should we trust you?" The incident occurred on May 18, 2026 during a media interaction in the Norwegian capital. The journalist Heli Links from the newspaper Dagsavisen asked MEA Secretary West CB George, "As we strengthen our partnership, why should we trust you?" She also raised concerns about human rights and questioned whether Prime Minister Modi takes critical questions from the Indian media. In a firm and detailed response that lasted several minutes, CB George pushed back strongly. He defended India's democratic credentials, emphasizing that the country has a vibrant democracy where governments are changed through free and fair elections. He told the journalist not to interrupt and reminded her that it was India's press conference. George dismissed some of the criticism as being based on ignorant NGO reports and asserted that India's track record on democracy and human rights stands strong. The moment quickly went viral, sparking widespread discussion online about press freedom, diplomatic etiquette, and how India projects itself on the global stage. Norway ranks very high in global press freedom indices, while India's ranking has been a subject of debate in recent years. The journalist's question reflected certain Western perceptions about India's democratic institutions. This exchange happened against the backdrop of PM Modi's important visit to Norway, where he received the country's highest civilian honor from King Harald V. The two sides also strengthened their green strategic partnership with agreements on clean energy, health, digital technology, and shipbuilding. Despite the tense moment in the press room, official bilateral talks remained cordial and productive. Experts see this as a classic example of assertive Indian diplomacy. MEA officials are increasingly responding firmly to questions that they perceive as biased or based on incomplete information. CB George's detailed rebuttal is being praised by many in India as a confident defense of the country's position. For India, such moments highlight the challenges of navigating global narratives while deepening partnerships with Western nations. The incident also underscores the growing scrutiny India faces on issues of press freedom and human rights, even as it strengthens economic and strategic ties.